when you're looking for someone and then someone comes along, it never enters in your head the thought that someone could be wrong. And they'll tell you that you're pretty, put these thoughts inside your head, but you're never really special, you just realise your average instead, and you try to wash away the crowd. Play the music far too loud, but everyone will just see that you're irritating, people hating, just another single mother rush it when you're not. If it was feels so funny, man, I wish that I was shot through the heart with a dart, but I'm not, but I'm not, but I'm not. And there's someone that you know and love is sleeping at your place, and there's something in his hair, and there's something on your face, and you look him in the eyes, and then he's sitting on your floor, and then you want to hold him close, but then he's walking out the door, and all the songs he played this morning were about people like me, that he'd fallen for and slept with, or he'd gotten drunk and slept with just like me. And I know I'm not that great, and there are things about you that I hate, and I know that I'm annoying too, but mostly when I think of you, I feel like I am someone who is irritating, people hating, just another drunken lover, even if I'm not. Your hair is multicolored and your eyes are all bloodshot, and I wish that I was special just like you, but I'm not, but I'm not, but I'm not.